just a very short video for the color changing aspect of this. So I'm just printing a robot head, and this is all the filament from said head. I'll show how deep it is. This is almost filled on this half, and that's so crazy that it is extruded more filament than what it even takes to build the actual robot head. That's so crazy. So yeah, honestly, if you're gonna do something like this, do the whole bed, so that way the amount it extrudes and expels is exactly the same, but you get way more product. Anyhow, like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.